Home Remedies presents
Hair grows like crazy and doesn't fall out. The best tool that everyone is crazy about. From frizzy hair to thin, this simple home remedy can fix every hair problem right away. Sweat, hot weather, heat, hair treatments, air conditioning, well, the list can go on and on for things that can cause hair fall. Are you tired of using all sorts of products and experimenting your hair with? What's more offensive is that we are not even giving a second thought while applying these chemical-based products on our hair, which might be more damaging. But it's time to press pause and turn your head towards your kitchen. Yes, you heard it right, ladies. You want to head to your kitchen because it has everything that your hair needs to get the rejuvenation it needs. And this recommendation comes from beauty experts. Hey friends, from which city and country are you watching my videos from? Let me know in the comments. Let's see how to make the remedy. Ingredients: rice 1 tablespoon, coffee 1 tablespoon, water 250 ml 1 cup. Directions: put the rice in a saucepan and add water. Let the water boil well for 5 minutes. Once done, strain the magic solution through a strainer and add a tablespoon of coffee to it and mix well. Collect it in a spray bottle. Your magic solution to treat all your hair problems is ready to be used. How to apply? Spray the solution well on your scalp and then massage your scalp for 2 minutes until the solution penetrates in the scalp. After that, wrap your hair with cling film. Leave the solution on your hair for 2 hours before washing. Wash and rinse as usual. For best results, repeat the treatment 2 times a week.
If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.